Hi, you can really make an impression when you add just the right gallery to your homepage. It's an easy way to make your website look much more professional and impressive to visitors. To show you how this works, I will add a strip slideshow gallery to my template. This kind of gallery is great because it can really make your homepage look dynamic, professional, and memorable to visitors. With the right use of high-resolution images and some animation, a gallery can even take the place of a video on your homepage. To customize the images in a gallery, click on Organize Images. Keep in mind that because the images in a strip gallery will be large, you need to use high-quality images that have the same or similar proportions to what you want showing on the screen. I recommend using images that are at least 1900 pixels wide. You don't need the image to be more than 72 dpi. An easy way to check the size of an image is to right-click on it and select Properties and then Details. If you're using a Mac, right-click and select Get Info. Once you have chosen the images that you want in the slideshow, you can decide how you want to transition between them. If you want to design a website that visitors will remember, start by adding a gallery to your homepage.